So I've come out to the garden and it's still quite early in the morning because we've been having a really big heat wave recently. And for those of you who live in places with a warmer climate, 30 degrees might not seem like a lot, but to us in England it's like being in hell. But I thought I would come out just quickly to show you my tomatoes. My tomatoes have finally started to fruit. Look at those! It's been super sunny here, so we've been worried about the tomatoes wilting, but they haven't. And I've even got peppers now. And over here, if I can find one, we've got cucamelons. But yeah, we're really pleased with how the greenhouse has managed to survive in the heat. But now it's starting to get hot again, so I'm going to go indoors. I am expecting a parcel today. I'm expecting to get a wand in the post, so I'm planning on doing some consecration work, but it's just a case of waiting for the postman. Spooky! So I am now at my altar and my wand has arrived. So this is a wand by Amanda at Invictus Arcana. I will put a link to her Etsy store in my description, but this is a Hawthorne wand. It is the length of my arm, which is generally what you want in a wand. It is then covered in silver leaf and Swarovski crystals, and then on the top we have this beautiful big blue gold stone, and then dotted around the wand there are small amethyst points. It was custom made for me, and I love the fact that it's got this beautiful kind of Art Nouveau face on the end of it there, and then the roses dotted around. Along with my wand, she has also sent me a little gift of classical tarot card stickers, and these are available on her store to buy. I've actually already put one on my laptop because I thought they were so cool, but yeah, these are stickers, so I'm sure I will use these in my tarot journal at some point. Then she has also sent me a really cute opalite moon, and these are the kinds of crystals that she uses in her wands. I have actually seen opalite moons on some of her wands on her store, so this is the kind of crystal you can expect to get on your wand. as well as things like this. This is a slice of amethyst. And again, I've seen things like this on her wands. So yeah, if you really like crystal wands, then this might be the store for you. And then she has also, because as she put it in her note, she thinks we might have the same tastes, sent me some lovely earrings as well. And I'm definitely going to be wearing those all the time, because I think they might actually go, I have a party to go to soon, and I think they might actually go with my dress, so thanks Amanda. But yeah, so this is my wand. What I'm going to do a little later is go out into the garden and cleanse and consecrate and bind the wand to me. And then probably what I will do is do another video, maybe next weekend or the weekend after, about how to use your wand in witchcraft, if you think that that would be helpful, because there are lots and lots of ways to use a wand in witchcraft. So if you'd be interested in learning about that, then let me know in the comments and I will definitely make a video. So as I said earlier, I'm going to now consecrate and cleanse and charge my new wand. What I have decided is to come outside, because it's just so much cooler out here than it is indoors at the moment. But in order to do what I'm going to do, I've got a Palo Santo stick which was sent to me, so I'm going to use that to cleanse the wand. And then over here I've got a tea light. Then I've got some rainwater. And then over here I've got an incense burner, which I'm going to use with this, which is wood. I think it's called Bacour, but it's essentially like a oil fragranced wood chip that you use with an incense burner. So I'm going to use that. And then for earth, I'm just going to take some dirt from the garden, but basically I'll have earth and dirt from the garden, fire, water and air, and this to cleanse. Because I can never remember, I've written down my consecration prayer chant thing. I will also do an Instagram post including this, so if you can't write it all down as I'm talking, you can go onto my Instagram and copy it down from there. But yeah, basically what I wanted to do was to come out and do a elemental consecration, and then I can go ahead and use the wand once it's been bound to me. So I'm going to do that now. Now I'm going to do the actual consecration. So the first one that I'm going to do is earth, then air, then fire, and then water. So this is just some soil from the garden, but basically I'm going to stop talking to the camera and actually do the consecration, and then we'll be back. Energy of earth, consecrate this wand and imbue it with your grounding power. Energy of air, consecrate this wand and purify it, that it may be sacred always. Energy of fire, consecrate this wand and charge it with your mighty strength. Energy of water, consecrate this wand and aid the flow of my craft in its use. I consecrate this wand in the name of the elements. May the energy of spirit be ever present. By the energy of earth, air, fire and water, I bind this wand to me and I to it. So I have finished my short consecration. I don't feel the need to do anything more than this. I like to keep things as simple as possible and as genuine as possible, so for me this is genuine, so this is what I do to consecrate. And basically now this wand is ready for use. So yeah, gonna use it. Also, while I'm here, if you don't think that spooky is a familiar, I would like to show you what showed up while I was doing this consecration. So there he is, chilling, watching me. But yeah, he is very much not a pet and very much a little familiar. It's really strange. As soon as I started to do YouTube and to show people spells on YouTube and to share more of my craft, this little demon has turned up more and more and more when I do spell work inside or outside. But I'm now pretty much 100% sure that that is either Fae or familiar, one or the other. But I'm, 100% convinced, because he can not be around and then I start spell work or start healing and he's here, like he wants to lend his energy. So, thanks, Spooky.